Hi, my name is Markay Latimer. I'd love nothing more than to show you how you can make an extra $1,000 each month from trading. Let's get started. I've taught over 100,000 people all over the world, and the difference between those who succeed and those who don't comes down to one thing, and that's taking action. I've tried countless trading strategies, but I've never come across one as simple and beginner-friendly as mine. If you can follow one stock all year round, you could easily make an extra $1,000 per month. This is the same routine I've been using for the past 20 years, and the same routine I've been teaching to thousands of students across the world. Today, finally, you'll have the chance to start making an extra $1,000 per month. See you then. Hi, my name is Markay Latimer. For the past 20 years, my students and I have been making a consistent monthly income, all thanks to trading. How much money are we making? At a bare minimum, an extra $1,000 a month. Other times though, we're making much more, like $1,450, $2,820, $5,450, and other amounts that would blow your mind. Or at least they did for me when I first started. But that's not even the best part. See, my trading method is probably unlike anything you've ever seen before. Unlike most traders, I do not spend all day watching the news or obsessing over countless stock charts. Instead, I created a new way of trading I call the 30-minute trading day. As the name suggests, all you do is trade for just 30 minutes a day, and then you could expect to make at the very least an extra $1,000 every month. Now, I know that may sound too good to be true, especially with all of the craziness that's happening in the world today, but it is the gosh honest truth. And I've been trading this way for over the past 2 decades. Out of all the trading methods I've tried over the years, this is the one I've used the most to generate thousands of dollars every single month. And today, I'm going to show you how you could do the same. See, over the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal how my 30-minute trading day works. I'll show you my trading results over the past year. And I'm even going to provide you a way to watch me trade for 30 minutes a night. Yep, that's right. You will get to look over my shoulder and see exactly how to make your first $1,000 this month, and an extra $1,000 for every month that follows. Imagine that. What would it mean for you to have an extra source of income right now? For me, it gives me the financial security, peace of mind, a sense of confidence even, because I know that regardless of what's happening in the world, I can make money, no matter what. And even better, since this only takes 30 minutes a day, I can go enjoy time with my family. We play board games, we do some gardening, and lately I've even been teaching the 30-minute trading day to my kids. My son, he gets so excited about it because he's seen firsthand how I consistently make thousands all from just 30 minutes a day. Now he's going to be able to do it too, because he also knows that I've taught these same simple methods to over 100,000 people across the world. And their results have been nothing but amazing. Take my trading student, Alan, for example. Alan has learned so much about trading that he quit his job as an electrician in January and made over $23,000 in February. He even said that's more than 48% of the income he made in 2019, but all in 1 month. Patrick is another example, and he only started trading in October of last year, but now he's making nearly an extra $2,000 per month, all thanks to trading my methods. And Karen? I'll let the clip play for itself.
One trade that I did that was fabulous. I was really nervous taking this, and I made $3,500. Thank you, Markay.
In fact, just the other day, I helped a trader friend of mine make more than $5,000 in just 24 hours. He ended up giving all that money away to help some of his friends to pay their rent. See, that is my favorite part about their success. They're just ordinary folks like you and me, but that doesn't stop them from wanting to help those they care about the most. They don't have a special education. They don't have high society connections, and some of them started with very little cash, but what they did have was my methods. The same methods I'm going to show you today. Now, will you have their same kind of success? I can't guarantee you that, but what I can guarantee you is that by having me in your corner, you will have a genuine shot at making an extra $1,000 a month. Now, you might be wondering at this point, so Markay, how does all of this work? To put it simply, the 30-minute trading day comes down to 3 easy steps. First, I look at my favorite stock charts for only 30 minutes a night. Second, once I scan these charts, I only trade the ones with the best money-making potential. Third, I set up the trades to take care of themselves automatically, and I'm done. After that, I do whatever I'd like, because on average, I can expect to make $2,730 on my trade in the next 9 days. And I'm not pulling that number out of the sky either. Just take a look at my track record from the last 100 trades. As you can see, over my last 100 trades, I've made a grand total of $273,045. Said another way, that's over $250,000, all from just trading 30 minutes a night. But it gets even better. See, nobody's perfect, and I've had my fair share of losing trades too. And I won't ever try to tell you otherwise either, because honestly, I don't need to. When you run the math on that trading record, that's $2,730 per trade, even when you average in the losing trades. Isn't that incredible? Personally, I can't think of a better way to consistently make an extra $1,000 from the comfort of your own home. And once I show you how to enjoy your own 30-minute trading day, it couldn't be easier for you to start making your own monthly income too. As long as you stick to the game plan I'll provide to you, this is going to be one of the easiest risk-free decisions you could ever make. Now, I'm sure you have plenty of questions, like how exactly do you pick out the stocks with the best money-making potential? How come it only takes you just 30 minutes a night while everyone else trades all day? And just how in the world did you figure this out? Well, to answer all that, let me take you back in time to over 20 years ago. See, I wasn't always this trading money-making machine. Back then, I was just a college graduate with 3 things: debt, a $14,000 yearly salary, and big dreams of becoming a doctor. But with that kind of yearly salary, there was no way I'd be able to afford medical school, let alone live a good life. To get personal, I'll never forget how embarrassed, let alone stressed out I always was about money. I'd hang out with my friends and my family, but I was never there with them. Instead, I was always in my head thinking, can I afford to be spending this dollar? Can I really take my mom out to eat? Am I letting my family down? And that's when I knew something had to change. And I just couldn't keep living like that. I refused. And for me, I only knew one way out, and that was trading. Trading was the only way that I could make the kind of money I wanted while still working my full-time job. At the time, my goal was just to make an extra $1,000 a month, because for me, that would have been life-changing. But what ended up happening next went beyond my wildest dreams. See, my mom and my sister helped me get together a small $2,000 account to start trading. And for months, I didn't make much progress. Up, down, again and again. And I got this close to just throwing in the towel. But then I met an unsuspecting but incredible trader who gave me the breakthrough lesson of a lifetime. He taught me you only need to trade for 30 minutes a night as long as you can spot predictable patterns in your charts. And if that sounds too simple, I don't blame you, because I couldn't believe it either when I first heard that. In fact, I thought he was hiding his real secrets. That just couldn't be it. But it turns out he was telling me the truth. Because once I started trading with that advice, I finally got off of the ups and downs of the trading roller coaster. And instead, my brokerage account went up a lot and down very little. In fact, thanks to that advice, I was able to turn that $2,000 stake into a $2 million fortune in under 2 years flat. And ever since then, I've never looked back. 20 years later, I still trade that same way with just 30 minutes of trading a night. That's easily an extra $1,000 each and every month. And even better, you don't need any fancy tools to spot those predictable trading patterns. Look, if all you had was access to Yahoo Finance charts, and you do have access to it, it's free, then you can spot those same patterns as well. Just take a look at some trades I've made. On February 12th, I placed one simple trade when I saw this predictable pattern on Visa. 8 days later, I cashed out with $2,850. Do you see why my kids are so excited to start trading? To start making an extra $1,000 per month, it really can't be that simple. Here's another one. Toward the end of January, I placed one simple trade on LLY when I saw this predictable chart pattern. A little more than 1 week later, I pocketed $4,020. If you took that same trade I did, you could have doubled your money. Put $500 in, and that's your first $1,000 in only 8 days. Here's one more. On January 30th, I spotted this same predictable pattern on the SPY. 1 week later, I cashed out with $2,870. Folks, this is how simple it is for you to start making an extra $1,000 a month. But if you want to make this 30-minute trading day even simpler, you could trade the same stock all year round. See, whenever I taught new traders, they always had one common concern. Most of them think finding stocks to trade will be really hard. But that couldn't be further from the truth. For example, last year I traded Apple 11 different times. Now let's take a look and see how these trades panned out. As you can see, out of 12 different trades, I made money on 9 of them. Add it up, and that's a grand total of $56,335, all from trading one stock. I've also done the same thing with Microsoft. Out of the 7 trades I made, I profited from 6 of them. Facebook kept paying me an extra $1,000 a month too. Out of 8 trades, 6 big winners. Some of them include $1,600 in 2 days, $4,160 in 8 days, and even $7,980 in just 10 days. Are you starting to see why I believe this 30-minute trading day can be life-changing for you? With this method, watching hundreds of stocks becomes completely unnecessary. Instead, you could easily make thousands from one stock all year round, as long as you spot these predictable chart patterns. And once you can do that, you don't have to worry about news headlines like these ever again. This is a terrible situation, no doubt about it. And I hope you aren't being hurt by this economy. But if you are, know this: the 30-minute trading day can help you make money no matter what chaos is happening in the world. Just take a look at what happened to my brokerage account as the markets were wreaking havoc. While most of the world was out of control, I was busy making trades like these. Folks, that's a grand total of $22,920 in March, all from just trading 30 minutes a night. The best part, though, I'm not the only one who is getting ahead during these difficult times. Plenty of people who I've shared this with are enjoying great success right now. Take Matthew, for example. He wrote to me, "With nothing saved for retirement, I had finally found that better way I'd been looking for. I'm getting far better results trading now than I was experiencing on my own. So far, I've made $23,542 in profit. Thank you for the help." Jerry is another one. He loves life now, as he says, "My success over the past year has come from your explanations of reading the charts. You explain it so well and make what is complex so simple. Thank you." And Jack had an incredible month when the markets tanked. On March 3rd, I made a trade on the SPX based on your teachings. 1 week later, I made a $20,000 profit. Your teachings have been invaluable to my trading. There's no question about it. This is how you could start making an extra $1,000 a month with just 30 minutes of trading per night. You could secure yourself a stream of income that will always be available to you. Because that's the beauty of trading in the stock market. You can always make money no matter what's happening in the world. The market goes up, the market goes down, it doesn't matter. You can make money either way. And there's plenty of opportunity waiting for you. In fact, today I'm going to give you exactly what you need in order to do it for yourself. See, you probably have one major question left. What is the pattern I need to look for? And that's a great question. After all, if I didn't learn about the trading secret from my mentor, I don't know if I would be here today sharing my story with you, let alone helping countless people make money all from the comfort of their own home. But that's why I prepared something special for you. See, just like my mentor gave me the right information in order to be able to make money like this, I'm going to do the same for you. Here's the plan. If you have a spare 30 minutes a day, then I'd like to send you a special guide called the 30-Minute Trading Day Blueprint. Think of this as your personal money-making handbook. With the amount of time my team and I have put into creating this startup guide, we are confident that you'll have exactly what you need to start making an extra $1,000 a month. In fact, here's a sneak peek. Inside, you'll discover my 3 favorite patterns to trade. You don't need a fancy indicator to see them. In fact, you could even use free Yahoo Finance charts to get you started. How to trade 100% risk-free. This is how I'm teaching my kids to trade while not risking any money. It's perfect for anyone who wants some training wheels. Fast money or big profit. Depending on your trading preferences, I'll show you the type of trade to make in order to accomplish your income goals, plus so much more. And with your permission, I'd like to send you this report for free as a part of a special mission my team has undertaken. See, when I went on that $2 million run, I got offered plenty of jobs to trade for big banks, but I told them no. For me, I'd rather help everyday folks because I'll never forget how life-changing it was for me to make an extra $1,000 a month from trading. That feeling, it's amazing. I can only describe it like this. It's knowing that you can handle any money worries that life may throw at you, any twists, any turns, any sudden surprises like the life-changing ones we're seeing today. You can handle them no matter what. In fact, you don't just handle them, you don't just tread water, you thrive when times get tough. That's what we want to accomplish. My team and I want you to experience this life for yourself. We've already helped so many regular folks like you accomplish this very feat. Lois from Maine wrote in, I've made over $56,000 all from just trading one stock. I'm going to continue doing the same. Francis from Texas says, in 2019, we made almost $100,000. Not bad for a first year trying different things. Definitely better than 2018. We used that income to purchase our first rental property in Indy. And Tony from Arizona says, I'm up $101,000 in March of 2020. One thing you should know about Tony, he only got started a couple of months ago with my methods, but he made over 6 figures just in March. I'm sure Tony and his family are going to weather this storm just fine, and I'm serious about helping you do the same. That's why we're also going to add this special bonus when you join us here today. The 30-minute trading day masterclass. As I shared with you earlier, I've taught over 100,000 trading students around the world, and I've taught them live at seminars, at online classes, and even personally one-on-one. And I noticed something interesting from this experience. New traders often had similar questions like, which broker should I use? How much money do I need to get started? Are there stocks you like better than others? And many others like that. And that's why I took the most common questions I got from my 20 plus years of teaching and answered them in this 30-minute trading day masterclass. These are bite-sized videos which will cover the best brokerage accounts you can use today. How to get started trading with just $500. One of my favorite stocks to trade right now for double your money gains. The little known trade that turns a falling stock into a quick profit. How to use automatic trade protection to always lock in your winners, and more. Previously, my students paid thousands to come to those classes I mentioned, but today, this masterclass is yours for free. Frankly, this is a steal because, like Judith says, I've taken several of your online classes, and what a huge difference in my trading. Your classes have already paid for themselves. But I'm not done yet. See, I have one more thing I think you'll really love. Look, I know this might be a new experience for you, and you may feel excited but also a little nervous to get started. At least I know I did when I first started trading. But I don't want you to feel that way, and I don't want you to start trading alone like I did. That's why I'm inviting you to be a part of a new monthly service I'm calling the 1K Club. As the name suggests, this monthly service is dedicated to helping you achieve one thing, an extra 1K each and every month of the year. But speaking from experience, I wouldn't be surprised if you made even more than that. Because here's what the club members get once they join. First, you'll get my best trading ideas of the month, what to watch out for in the market, and any urgent updates for any trade that I call out. That alone makes the club worth every penny. It's like having a trading roadmap guiding you to the best chance for fast profits. But we decided to add an even more amazing perk for our members. See, once you start trading and making money, it's all you're going to be thinking about. Trust me, there's nothing like making that first $1,000 and then another $1,000. Time and time again. And like I said earlier, I know you might be new to all of this, but I really want to make sure that you succeed. And that's why we decided to let you peek over my shoulder as I trade for just 30 minutes. This is easily the most valuable part for all members inside the 1K Club. Because it's like that famous saying, give a man a fish, feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, feed him for a lifetime. Now, I could spend all year giving you the best trade idea every month, but that's like me only giving you the fish. What if I taught you how to fish by letting you watch me spot the trading patterns in real time? That's infinitely more valuable because by watching and learning exactly how I trade myself, you could become financially bulletproof. And right now, that's worth its weight in gold. Now, will we always win? It's a question I've gotten many times, and as I showed you earlier, we won't. But follow my strategies, and your odds of making an extra $1,000 per month lean heavily in your favor. After all, I've been trading this way for 20 years through every market imaginable. In fact, here's a quick story about that before I give you your personal invitation link to join the 1K Club. Back in 2000, when I was still relatively young in my trading career, I got hit pretty hard. Over 25% of my account got wiped out when the tech bubble burst. Then in 2008, when the markets crashed again, I only got scratched. What made the difference? In a word, experience. I learned the simple patterns that helped me avoid most of that huge crash. And now in 2020, I've made over $22,000 in the heart of the worst market crash since the Great Depression. And as I shared with you many times today, my trading students have made even more. My success over the past year has come from your teachings, and recently I had my best month ever, almost $9,000 in profit. Just wanted to let you know that I've made $24,000 in the last 3 days. Thanks so much for helping us. I've made $101,000 in March. I'm insanely proud of them. They took a chance on themselves to learn new skills, and now it's paying for them. I'm sure if you ask them, they would say it's a no-brainer to pay thousands in order to have these trading methods that I'm going to be showing you inside the 1K Club. However, I'm not charging thousands for you to be a part of this special service. It won't even be hundreds either. Instead, for 1 year of membership access to the 1K Club, all you're going to pay is just $49. Now here's everything you're gonna get once you join us here today. The 30-minute trading day blueprint, the 30-minute trading day masterclass, my best trading idea of the month to make an extra $1,000, plus urgent updates on any action to take on that trade. The Markay Market Breakdown. Here you'll find my overall thoughts on the market, events we need to watch out for, and how to best make money from them. And as a new member, your first trading recommendations and trading video is waiting for you. As soon as you join, they'll be sent immediately to your inbox. Then, toward the end of the month, you'll get my best trading idea to make an extra $1,000 along with the Markay Market Breakdown. And before I forget, your membership to the 1K Club is backed by a 365-day money-back guarantee. For the most part, my trading students have been insanely happy with what I've taught them. Their success speaks for itself. However, if for some reason, any reason, throughout the next year, you're not satisfied with your membership to this group of bold traders, then that's okay. Just let my customer service team know, and we'll be happy to refund your money. In fact, you can even keep the goodies I'm going to give you today. There's only one catch. See, as this club grows, the price of admission will likely grow along with it. For now, it's $49, but that's as low as it'll ever get. To secure your introductory offer price, click the link you see on your screen, and you'll be taken to a secure order page to confirm your details. After you do, me and my team are more than ready to welcome you into the 1K Club with your first 1K recommendation. I can't wait to help you get started. See you on the inside.